Hello everybody! Today I would like to show you a new feature of Repeato 1.4. It's a feature we're very proud of because we haven't seen it in any other test automation solution out there. We call it the switch device step. It's a new kind of test automation step, and it allows you to switch between different devices within a single test run. Let's say you have an app that has some kind of networking feature. Maybe it's an e-commerce app where you have people offering products and other people buying products, or it's a messenger app where you can send messages back and forth. You might want to check if a message is sent from user A, for example, to user B, whether that message actually arrives. That's exactly the use case I had in mind for showing today in this video. I already installed the Google Chat app. You might know it. It's a messaging app, and I already created a chat room and called it testing space. And then I connected a second device here with the same app, also joined the same chat room, so both users are currently in the same chat room. And now what I would like to automate is if I'm sending a message from user A to user B, if user B is also receiving the message. Then let's get started. I create a new test and send a message. Hey there, and send it to the other device. So when I switch to the other device, I can see that the message was received. I can also see that Repeato already created a new switch device step here. So now what I would like to tell Repeato is to check for the message, and we're gonna do this with a check content step. We're gonna select the element we're expecting here, that's the message, and that would already be the basic use case here. Now, before saving this test to the library, I would like to switch back to the original device, to the sender side, and take care of deleting this message. So I will long press this one and then click delete, because now if we want to run this test and check if the message is there, we should also take care of cleaning up the message so it's not detected by accident. Yeah, and now after deleting this message, we can also check whether it was deleted on the other side. So I'm switching back. Repeato recorded another switch device step, and now we're gonna check using a check content step again if the message was also deleted on the other end. So let's take another look at this whole test. So because I didn't automate any of the navigation within the app, I think I will also delete the start app step. I'd like to keep it really simple and just automate the sending of the message now, not the whole navigating to the right chat room and so on. And then what we can also do is, you can see here it says pixel 3a twice. We're gonna edit this and we call this user B. This could be some other arbitrary name like admin, manager, merchant, customer, and so on. It's just for us to more easily see what's going on. You can see here we switch to user B, and Repeato took care of renaming this role, and now we're gonna rename this to user A. So user A is the one who's sending the message, and user B is the one who's receiving the message. And because we want to start with user A, we also copied the switch device step over here. So our test always starts with user A. Let's save the test to the library. We call it sending message from user A to user B. And then let's run it. That worked quite well. You can see now we ended up with 2 messages being deleted, and Repeato took care of automating this whole test case.